Today's video topic is history in Java. History of Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. It was created by James Gosling and Patrick Norton, employees of Sun Microsystems, with support for Bill Joy, co-founder of Sun Microsystems. Sun officially presented the Java language at Sun World on May 23, 1995. Then in 2009, the Oracle company bought the Sun company, which explains why the language now belongs to Oracle. In this article, we'll explore the history of the Java programming language. So, what is Java? Java is described as being a multi-purpose, strongly typed and object-oriented programming language. By design, it has a few implementation dependencies as possible. With this programming language, we can create applications on multiple devices. Its scope is very wide, allowing us to create software for mobile devices, point of sale terminals, ATMs, IoT, Internet of Things, as well as web pages. Although Kotlin is the preferred language for Android development in 2021, Java is still the default language for developing apps for Android. The big reason for that is Android's tight integration with Java. In fact, parts of that OS, like the UI and specific core libraries, are written in Java. The project was born in 1991 behind the scenes of Sun Microsystems team when three engineers, James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton, sought to design a language applicable to small electrical devices. Soon after, they launched the Green Project to study the impact of convergence between digitally controlled home appliances and computers. Using a syntax similar to that of C++, they made a digital remote control equipped with a graphic and animated touchscreen, the fruit of several months of intense research. This remote control had the fantastic feature of controlling the whole living room equipment. It was programmed in a new language, completely independent. The processor it was running on, making the remote one of a kind. The arrival of HTTP protocol and the Mosaic browser. In 1993, the HTTP protocol and the Mosaic browser arrived, which was a crucial event for the project. During this time, the team realized that the internet would be ideal network to position their product. Then in 1995, James Gosling unveiled it a browser called WebRunner that was capable of showing HTML content mixed with applets. Things look off from there. First, WebRunner became Hot Java, then JavaSun.com officially opened to the public. Eventually, the name of this technology would become Java, meaning coffee in American slang, in honor of the programmer's favorite drink, namely coffee, part of the production, which comes from the island of Java. It was that the Sun and the Netscape announced that their desire to integrate these new into their browsers, which definitely launched the language. The versions would then follow. one another from version 1 in 1996